Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you Edwina from Outre in DRST Dragon Fruit. Stay tuned. And welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to be bringing you Edwina by Outre in DRST Dragon Fruit. Now, here's the thing. I recently moved my wig room downstairs. Okay, so if you are here for the first time, you won't notice anything different. But if you're a subscriber or follower of my channel, then you'll be like, oh, Jess, I hear lots of different noises. That's because there's lots of cars and stuff going by. So just bear with me, all right, on that one. I will find a good time of day to actually do this. But today is going to just be where we are here. And my room's not fully put together yet. And I might even have to pause this video first thing out because I can't get her out of the package. Oh, wait. Yep, I'm going to pause. Okay, and I'm back. So I finally got her out of the package. Woohoo! Anyway, this is Edwina. All right, she's by Outre. She's a lace front wig. She has a bunch of different colors. Says she comes in cherry crush and chocolate toffee, golden honey blonde, dragon fruit, ginger plum, golden amber, and golden brown. And you can see a bunch of those colors. Ooh, ring light on the back. Okay. It does say that she has the high-tex heat safe fiber, which means that she is going to be heat safe for you up to 400 degrees. So you can restyle her, recurl her, all that stuff. And she comes with HD transparent lace and she's 12 inches long. Okay, so let's see what she looks like. Oh, you guys. I don't normally get away with oranges, so I'm hoping that the dark rooting and her dark strands will help with that. But this is a beautiful color. Can you see that? Holy crap. Okay, let's take a look at her construction. All right, she does have the HD transparent lace. Look at it. That's nice, huh? Okay, inside her cap, let's check out her construction. She has, oh, here they are. 2 combs in the front, 1 on each side. She has a comb in the back, right there. And she has those nifty adjustable straps, okay? The adjustable strap system, so you can move these in or out how you see fit to fit the size of your head. Let's take a peek at this construction in here. All right, so she is open wefted, which is going to be a little bit cooler design for you. All right? Okay, so, oh my God, look at that. Look at those oranges. All right, let's get this girl on my head and see what she looks like. Oh, I think she's cute. Oh, she's cute. Oh, the laces. There we go. Oh, you guys, she's cute. Okay, I am going to cut this lace off and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So what I noticed with Edwina, and I looked on the card, it does say that she comes with the pre-plucked part and that she has baby hair. And I did notice she does have baby hair. I left them on for review today, but again, as I grow some of my own hair out, I have been occasionally cutting those off so that it blends with my natural edges just a little bit better. Instead of having a full coverage, some of my hair pokes out on some of my wigs. We'll see what Edwina does here when I put her on. Okay, here we go. Oh, she fits pretty well. She's a little tight. She is definitely not going to cover my whole head. You see that? So that's, again, sometimes why I've been cutting some of that off right up into the hair, because that way I can use my own real edges to blend. Let's deepen the part a little. You guys, she's cute. Okay, let's have a look at her all the way around. So this is her on the right. She's cute. In the back. And on my left. Let the camera readjust. Okay. Yeah, Edwina. I think that with a little bit of work, and her parting space isn't that terrible, it could be a bit wider right here at the front. And remove the baby hair. That would help a lot. Take some of this lace off. That would also help me blend my edges quite a considerable amount, because it would be a good blend if you didn't see. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do with her to get her I don't know, road ready, I guess, wear ready. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of some of that lace, because these baby hairs poking out straight out the front is kind of not the best look, I don't think. Let's do that with her. You can still kind of see a little bit of my... There we go. Yeah, you can just see it. Like, that's my hair though. But I think she's cute, you guys. I'm gonna wear this one. Aw. Does she look like the card? Yeah, I think so, mostly. She's cute. All right, this girl is 12 inches long. HD lace, right side part. This is the color Dragon Fruit, which I just think is precious. I really like it. I think she's cute. I'm gonna widen the part. That's about it. High-Tex Heat Safe Fiber. She looks like the card. Oh, you guys, she's precious. Okay, that is all I have for you today. If there is a wig that you would like me to review, please put her name down in the comment section below, and I'll see what I can do for you. While you're there, go ahead, click like, share, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. That way you're alerted every time I upload a video. Okay? All right, that's it. I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye.